Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Wednesday, October the 30th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is our link to get into our free room, 100% free. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. I open the room every morning from 9. I go to 3 o'clock, though I will stay after 3 o'clock if I have questions, all right? Otherwise, I'll shut the room down around 3. In the email you're getting, you will see a link for our test drive. Our test drive starts on November the 11th. If you sign up on the 11th, you'll have 10 trading days, okay, with us for $8.99. It's a sliding scale, so if you sign up for the 12th, you can't do it on the 11th, you'll have 9 days, okay? So it is a sliding scale. We used to only do it for 5 days, so we've sort of elongated it this time, but as I say, it'll be $8.99, and you'll have access to our full premium service, everything we have to offer. You can also take advantage of it if you are a standard subscriber. We'll upgrade you for those 10 days and to premium. And after the test drive is over, it's over. We don't put you into a subscription. Don't worry. If you were a standard, we'll move you back to standard. Of course, we'll give you a nice little promo, more than likely, to take out a subscription if you'd like to, and also to upgrade from standard to premium if that's what you want to do. Also, there is a promo code. Right now, we're offering 20% off. You'll see the promo, Halloween themed, scary good, all in capital letters, but you'll see it. Good for 20% off the first month or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. Well, interesting day. Let's see, the market, this is what the market did. So right there, the market is positive, okay? Look like we're going to have a positive open, and all of a sudden, look at that big red candle moving down, pause a little bit of a gap up, little move down. Now had a nice little 45 minutes of up. That allowed some of the bounce plays to start working, and now it's flattened out. But this is what really caused a lot of the shorts at the beginning of the day to work. Now, not that this one is a short, but this one is from the AI, and if you can't get too much better than this on a percentage basis. I mean, this was the alert at 275, and it got all the way up to so far 326. This is something, and I'll bring that back, by the way, but this is something that unfortunately should have been in my watch list. And I'm not sure. Let's take a look at it on the weekly chart. No, on a daily chart. So 2 days ago, this had a tremendous day. Now remember, this came from, it's 93 cents, and then it had some news on, I guess that's Monday. Yeah, that's Monday. But it's funny. I mean, it got up to 199, and then it moved back down. I mean, I guess it didn't move down that much. But then the next day, you see, it got all the way down to 153. You would have thought it would be over. Somehow I missed this yesterday. I remember having it on a 2 break, but I guess I must have just completely missed it, because this should have been in the watch list that I give to you guys every day. Because then look at this move. I mean, unbelievable move. But anyway, the AI caught it. But this is what I want to say about it. This is why I say that, auto trading the AI, I mean, I know a lot of people want to do it. Personally, I don't recommend it. You want to watch these. You want to maybe auto trade the entry, but then manage the exit. Because look what the AI did. The entry was at 275. From there, it moved up to 3. Now, no trader that I know would allow it to go back to 275. But that's what the AI did. The AI allowed it to go back to 275 because it's an algorithm, that's taking place. And, unfortunately, it didn't. A lot of times, what will happen is if it sees this move down, it'll take some profit, what's called a profit save. It just didn't happen early enough. But anyway, that's why I'm saying that, but right now this stock is up 11.65%. And on tremendous volume. We're not talking about something that you couldn't get in and out of. I mean, there's 13.3 million shares that have traded. You can see on the daily chart, there was the big day 2 days ago. Well, I don't know what that is, maybe 30 million shares. Just looking to see if I have the volume. Yeah, 27 million shares. Not as much yesterday. And now look at this. So this could be interesting. The only thing, somebody asked me, should I be swinging this? Now, number one, I can't give advice like that. I cannot say, yes, you should be swinging this. The only issue I would have with this is that, this is a stock that came from 90 odd cents 3 days ago. It is now 3.15. When is big profit taking going to start happening? Also, it is it's in that pharma sector. So, I always worry about stocks like this doing a big financing. They're usually these little guys are starved for cash, and if I were them, I'd be taking advantage of a triple in 3 days to do a financing. I'm not saying they're going to. I have no idea what they're going to do, but that's what would be worrying me all the time in order to swing something like this. But you want to do it. That's certainly up to you. But what a tremendous alert now. It's 15%. So we're not saying every stock is going to do that from our AI, but you need our premium service. So you want to follow stocks like this. What else did I do today? Some really, really nice shorts that unfortunately I couldn't take advantage of because of that darn uptick rule. So Tupperware, this was an earnings play. It was already a gap down. But when I tried to short it right there was the alert at 11:48. Remember, this is the pre-market. 11:48, I couldn't get it. The uptick rule got me. Uptick rule being if a stock is down more than 10%. You can't just go in at the bid and expect to get a fill. It has to be some action at the ask. And then even it goes back to the bid where you want to get it, you might be stuck in a queue behind many, many other people. And then it just started moving down, and I just couldn't chase it. But 11:48 down to 10.51. There's a $1 move on $11 stock. This one, the same thing. This is down 80% now. Got all the way down to 263 from the 301 alert. Another one I missed. I don't know if I could have got this one. Again, this is another one that was down 10% yesterday. It's only down 3% today, but that uptick rule, if a stock was down 10%, then the next day that uptick rule still is in effect. So not sure I could have got that, but another one, 871 down to 834. This is another one that was way down, 1949, got down to 1879. This one, unfortunately, I did take the trade. I got the trade right here at just under, it was right here actually, just under 6. And they actually filled me even though it was down. You know what, I'm not sure it was down 10%, but I think it was down 10% yesterday. I can't remember. My memory's gone. I can't remember if this was down 10% at this point. But anyway, at any rate, I did get a fill at 598. I covered, you see right there, it touched 586 and it started to move up, and I covered here and right there. And then right after that, it moved down. I just didn't have the patience, unfortunately, because another great, 603 down to, 526. Those are tremendous percentage moves. Now this one, I'm still in. Thank you. CJ, there was the alert at 776. That's the one I was talking about. I remember saying, hey, it's not down 10% yet. It is now, but it was only down about 8%. So I was able to get the fill, even though I think it was down 10% yesterday, but I was able to get the fill right here. 767, and I did cover some right there at around 750, and I'm still in some to see. But again, tremendous percentage moves. The DBD, let's see if this has moved. Now this is down. This was way down. That was down way more than 10% yesterday. So again, even if I wanted to get this one, I'm not sure I could get it, but I will certainly be watching it going forward. So today was definitely a tremendous day for my watch list on the short side, which makes sense the way the market was trading. I did get a quick alert on the long side for AR that I took advantage of. This is an earnings play. Took some here and got out there, and then it really didn't really do anything. But, great day though. Really, really nice day for the watch list on the way down. That's how I play them anyway. Market's down for the day. Hey, take a look at the shorts on the watch list. Not so much on the long side. And, you just have to kind of give you what the market is going, take what the market is doing. If the trend is down, take a look at the shorts. If the trend is up, take a look at the longs. All right, I want to get back into the room. As I say, just a tremendous day for that. It's up 17.8% right now, the ISEE. I have no idea where this is going. This is one of those ones that is not shortable either, I don't think, at IB. I don't think it is. Oh, it is shortable. Interesting. Yeah, 400,000 shares are available, so that could be interesting later on in the day. Though it's hard to figure out where you would want to short something like that. But at one point it's going to have to start giving up. I mean, it's way more than tripled in 3 days. All right, I want to bring back the capture program. Here you are. And any questions for me? Excuse me. Here's the email address you can use. The link for our free room. And again, don't forget, we have a couple links, one for the test drive and one for the 20% off promo. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.